Modal verbs make our language interesting by helping us express different meanings. Let's look at how we talk about things that either were impossible or that someone couldn't do in the past using modal verbs. Could not, would not, and might not. Modal verbs such as could not, would not, and might not help us to talk about situations where something was impossible or someone was unable to do something in the past. Could not means you were not able to do something in the past because you didn't have the ability or the opportunity. For example, she could not attend the meeting yesterday due to a prior commitment. Would not means saying no or not wanting to do something in the past. Look at this example. He would not apologize for his mistake even when everyone expected him to. Might not shows a situation where there was a chance of not being able to do something in the past. For example, the traffic was terrible. We might not have got to the airport on time. We also use modal verbs to create questions and negatives. For instance, here's a negative. They could not find the missing documents. And here's a question. Could you solve the problem on your own? Modal verbs show that we feel sorry or wish that we did something in the past. For example, I wish I could have attended the concert last night. Could have, would have, and might have. These words, used when talking about stories in the past, show things that were possible but didn't happen. She could have won the race if she hadn't tripped. I would have called you if I had known you were in town. Pay attention to the situation. When we say could in the past, it usually means we were able to do something back then. But when we say can now, it means we're able to do something at this moment. In the past, she could swim when she was a child. In the present, she can swim like a pro. To sum up, learning how to use modal verbs to talk about things that were not possible or did not happen in the past helps you say different things. Modal verbs make your conversation more interesting, so try using them.